Want to use Real Debrid with apps like Kodi, Streamio, or third-party download managers? You'll need your Real Debrid API key to connect your account safely. Finding it is very easy. First, log into your Real Debrid account on their official website. Once inside, go to the My Devices menu. Here, you'll find an option to generate a personal API key. This key is unique to your account and allows apps to access Real Debrid features without sharing your login credentials. For more information on API keys, click on API documentation. It will take you to this link that explains everything and every command in plain detail. Read the API key carefully, never share it publicly. Then, in the app that you want to integrate with Real Debrid, look for Real Debrid integration settings. Paste your API key there and authorize the connection. Once authorized, your app will have access to faster streams, premium links, and high-quality downloads. Remember, your API key is tied to your premium account. Using it in multiple apps is fine, but keep it secure. If you ever suspect it's been exposed, regenerate it immediately from your Real Debrid account. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.